I'm a big believer in, I suppose, some form of regulation for the industry. It's fairly unregulated at the moment. We have something like 100 plus lettings agents in Sheffield, some of whom are good, some of whom are not probably quite so good. And I think it's important for the consumer to be able to identify those who operate ethically and with integrity. And that was one of the primary drivers for us to I suppose, have that branding, if you like, to try and make us stand out from the majority. I think we're probably more landlord focused and tenant focused on it, if you like, but we do make a point of explaining it to customers and obviously to try and gain some benefit from the fact that we are members of it, and to provide them really with, I think, peace of mind and reassurance. I think it's a great initiative. I think it's very important, and I think, you know, the more that the public understand what it is, the better for everybody. I think the primary driver for us is to be seen as being professional, to have processes in place, to be accountable, and I think it's important that the public recognise that, and I think the Safe Agent branding is the method to do that.